So when it bakes, this chiffon cake is Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to episode 10 of DIY Master. Today I have a super special guest who's gonna help me with some cake decorating. Yes, hey guys, it's Ro. I'm so excited to be here. This is actually the first time I've been over. We've baked together before, but this is the first time that I've been over and we're gonna do cake stuff here. So I'm super excited. I'm so excited. So I went and bought some like really crappy, not Ro approved grocery store cakes and I scooped off all the top and then I used actually your thing. I used your, well, I don't even know what this is called, but I used a Rosanna Pansino spatula. Is it still spatula? Yeah, it's an offset spatula. Offset spatula. Today we are learning and decorating. Yeah. Okay, so like, Ro came freaking prepared. She's got all of the things, little balls of fondant, Play-Doh looking fondant. Yeah, you're doing great. Like buttercream icings, we got all different colors. And you actually had a lot of decorations. I'm super impressed. I don't know why I randomly have like a massive collection of sprinkles for some reason. You are ready for a party at a moment's notice. But I only have sprinkles though, so I don't, it's just a sprinkle party. Just a little sprinkle party. Okay, what do we do first? Lauren, you actually did a good job of smoothing out the top, so I'm like really impressed. Are you just saying that? No, like these cakes are a little tricky. There's already some light decoration, but we're just gonna pretend it's not even there. I couldn't pick all the sprinkles out. I was just like, well, there's too many. We'll just go with it. I brought over these turntables. So these turntables are a pro tip to stepping up your baking game. Because if you're gonna ice a cake, boom, and you're a beginner, if it's standing still and you try to work your way around the cake, it's just really unsmooth. This is so fun. I feel like I should be like the game. I know, don't they feel like DJ stuff? Yeah. DJ. It's DJ Little Muffin. Little Muffin and Little DIY. Yup, we have DJ names. We are ready to decorate. So I'd say another really great tip to up your baking decorating game is using a piping bag with a coupler and a tip. So which one do you want to do? I don't know. Which one's gonna make me some pretty things? So many choices. I don't know. Okay, we'll go with this one. Okay, cool. That's an open star. Yeah, just stick it right there. And I'll do a closed star. Okay, so last time I tried to ice anything, I had a plastic Ziploc baggie and then I duct taped a tip onto it. Oh, did it work? It did not work. Okay. This is a little more professional than what I did last time. It's stepping it up a little bit, but you know what? I don't knock it because sometimes I would just take a sandwich bag, cut a little like, and do like little dots. I have high expectations for myself because I feel like there should be transferable skills between DIY and cake decorating. Definitely. Like I'm an okay drawer and painter and DIYer. I'm hoping I'm not gonna embarrass myself. You can do this, girl. I'm even gonna set us up a little practice run right over here. Oh, heck yeah. This girl comes prepped, y'all. Oh, we're ready, and we're gonna practice some shells. Don't touch the cake. Hovering. Hover the cake. Because otherwise, if you try to do it here, it's just gonna, I mean, that looks pretty good. That's a cool, you can make that a thing. But we want those shells. Okay. So you hover, you apply pressure, let it come out, and then swoop, and then swoop. Oh. And then swoop. Looks like a snail. Isn't it? Ooh, am I doing it? So cute. We love it. You're doing a really good job. You can also do little bubbles. You hover and you just do a little bloop, and then let go. Okay. Bloop, and let go. They look like little dots. It looks like the cutest poop I've ever seen. I'm really impressed. Oh my gosh. Yes. That was cute. And that's how you decorate the cake. So whatever you want to do around the top. I think I like these. They're cute. I'm gonna do little seashells. I can't wait to see what your cake looks like versus what my cake is gonna look like at the end of this. You can do it. You can do it. I feel like I'm in the starting position. I'm like, no pressure. We're all watching you. Okay. Oh, that's cute. A little poop. Up and around. Up and around. Up and around. What's your favorite kind of cake? I have two favorite cakes. My favorite unfancy cake is funfetti. My favorite, isn't it so good? Funfetti with funfetti icing. Yes. Yes. I could eat that every day. But my favorite fancy cake is a chiffon cake. What is that? A chiffon cake has a regular cake batter and then a meringue, and you gently fold them together. So when it bakes, this chiffon cake. Jeremy was sending me like 3 memes. That's what that was. This chiffon cake. I can't remember what I was saying. was I saying? The chiffon cake.
They're like dense, but also light as a feather. Ooh. I don't know how they do it, but you top that with a Swiss buttercream icing, and that is my dream cake. I could eat it for the rest of my life.
Ro, what do we think?
Okay, I'm really impressed. Look at that. Broom. We can make a fondant flower with a buttercream leaf. It's a little tricky, but I think people can do it.
By people, you mean me.
Yeah. What color flower do you want? I brought pink and yellow.
I'll do a pink one. True or false, does fondant taste bad?
Some fondants, they just aren't flavored. People always ask me, what is it? It's a thick icing.
It smells good though, you're right. It just smells like a big old ball of icing.
We're gonna roll it out. I got this little fondant roller, and you wanna do it the thinnest possible.
Usually when I do these DIY masters, it's just me struggling by myself, but like, I've got a freaking master professional here. Like, this is so much easier. Last time I tattooed someone, I was just like,
oh my gosh, I saw that.
I had to use a tattoo gun.
That was so, I couldn't believe that. That was so, I could, wow.
Terrible idea.
You are brave,
terrible idea.
Confident, creative, and I dig it.
Okay, so we want
this.
Thin.
Even thinner. We would need skinty fondant.
Skinty fondant?
The skintiest fondant that you can do. We want this so thin.
So the level that you're going for in your fondant is skinty. Maximum skinty levels.
Double skinty. It's a baking term. Just Google it or whatever.
Or whatever.
Look at this little cookie
That's
cutter.
So cute. It's like a big old cloud.
It's a fondant rose cookie cutter.
Is this so much better than Silly Putty or Play-Doh?
Yeah, because we can eat it.
I feel like I didn't follow the non-edible rules of Play-Doh, so I'm like, you can eat Play-Doh.
Why is it so salty?
It's so salty!
Like, why is
so
the recipe
weird.
like all sodium?
It's like just straight sodium.
Give it a little push down hard. Give it a little
there we
jiggle.
go. She free, she free.
Yes, yes, yes.
Free. Okay, there's one.
Beautiful.
I can't wait to see how this turns into a rose.
A pretty rose. It's gonna be gorgeous. I actually tested this in a video and I fell in love with it. There's all these like really fancy bakers who make all these like very beautiful
flower
icing flowers that take forever. It takes a ton of skill. It really does. And I'm like, we're busy. We don't have time for that. So you fold them in half and then we just roll them. Just start at an end.
What do you mean you just roll them?
Look at these.
Are you kidding me? That's so cute.
Adorable. It looks like a little rose and you can kind of open it up a little bit.
Are you getting this? This is so cute.
Are you seeing how cute this is?
Is this right?
That's it.
For beginner rose, she's not bad. I think I rolled the wrong part in.
No, you did the right thing. I just started too high. Lauren's first flower looks better than mine and I've done this 100 times. Look at this.
Oh my God, that one's perfect.
Cute.
Can I help you?
Moose, would you like to help?
Like, hey yo, it's not my birthday, but can I get some cake?
Do you also think he thinks this is him?
Oh, Moose.
He does. Oh my gosh.
I think he's more here for the cake.
Well, Moose, when's your birthday?
April 28th.
We have to wait. Moose really wants sugar, and I know how he feels. I know how you feel. I feel like this. I know. Sweets
it
too.
smells so good over here, Bubba.
I know.
Good. No. Oh my goodness. Do I make like 3 roses maybe or something?
Yeah, let's do 3. Let's make one more.
Yeah, for like a little
movies.
trio.
I don't want to mess them up. They're so cute. Oh yeah, you got that.
Yeah, I got it.
Look at that. She's got the jiggle.
Okay, so some of my roses look a little better than others. Should I just put them in the middle?
Yeah, let's put them in the middle. Get them in there. Here we go.
Cute!
I love this. Okay, let's make some leaves. We're gonna be using this tip.
Okay.
It kind of looks like a mouth. Like it looks like you're about to do like baby shark song.
Oh my God, we about to make a freaking leaf,
This
y'all.
is gonna be so cute. You can do it, Lauren. You can do it.
I'm nervous because everything so far has gone pretty well, so I'm concerned that this is where everything falls apart for me.
Well, at the end of the day, here's the good news. It's still cake.
True,
so
true,
it's
true,
gonna
true,
taste
true,
really
true, true.
good.
You're right, you're right,
even
you're
if
right.
they look a little funny, which look at this, skills. Whoop, and pull up.
It's a little bit.
And it's kind of the opposite that you'd think, right? But the trick with these
That was so good.
is you're gonna apply pressure, and then let go, no pressure, and pull away.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
That's the tricky thing. Apply the pressure, and then stop, and then pull.
Oh, it's a fat one. No, that wasn't a good one. That wasn't a good one.
You did it, you did it.
I don't know.
You made a little leaf, you made a little leaf, a little leaf, little leaf. You can keep this music in because it is original.
Yours are more leaf-like. Mine are like, we want to be a leaf, but we're not quite a leaf. I'm making weeds. I think I'm making weeds. You're making leaves. Okay, I see, okay.
Whoop, pull. Pressure, pull.
Oh, that was a leaf.
That's a winner.
Pressure. thought he was just like,
Squeeze harder at the beginning.
oh, you squeeze harder. Okay,
Maybe,
okay,
like,
okay.
Squeeze hard.
We want thick bottoms. Okay.
We want some thick, leafy bottoms. He's real thick and real short, and I love it, just like me. That's me. Look at you. You're long and lean and pretty over here, looking like a model.
This
and then
one's me right
this
here.
One, I'm little and thick, like a little biscuit, and we love it.
That was a good one.
Yes. Boom. There it is. We've got a winner.
That's a good one. That's my money leaf from Lil DIY and Lil Blueberry Muffin.
Boom. Wiggle, wiggle. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move these guys.
Yeah, no one needs to see this.
We're ready, and we'll just start piping. Just shove it right in there. Woo! And pull. And Lauren, I do apologize. I should have brought a bigger one.
You came prepared, girl.
But usually you want to match them to the size of your flowers, and these ones are a little small. I'm gonna give you Bob Ross vibes. If you mess up, just make it a bird. I think so.
What was this thing?
If you have a mistake, just make it a bird.
We did a Bob Ross video. Oh man.
He has so
Happy little accidents.
Oh, happy little
accident.
accident.
That's it. Happy little accident.
It can just be a happy little edible accident. Lord, I'm so proud of you. I do this for hours and hours a day, and for weeks and weeks, and for years and years. So the fact that you're piping leaves. What?
My leaves
What
don't look
happened?
like your leaves. Oh, there we go. I covered up an ugly one.
She got it. See, just layer them. If one's not looking good, just put another one on top of it. Sometimes when I'm making cake pops, if one starts looking really weird, I just dip it again because I'm like, we'll just double coat it.
I feel like my answer to that would have been I would have just eaten it. Like that's what I thought you were gonna say, and you're like, no, I keep making it. I was like, oh, that's not where my brain was going at all.
Has there ever been an episode like making crafts that you just never uploaded because it was just total, it was beyond savable?
Yes.
Same. I had two. One, I made chocolate dipped apples for the very first time where you dip them in caramel first and then chocolate. And it was the first really time I was working with chocolate. Chocolate's very finicky, it's very tricky. And I tried to thin it out and I was reading all these blogs how to do it. It turned into like mashed potatoes. The consistency of the melted chocolate was like lumpy like mashed potatoes and it kept getting worse and worse. It was terrible. So that episode never saw the light of day. Other one, Sonic Cake, I spent like 20 hours designing this custom fondant just like piece, and then it was late at night, it was like 3 in the morning. I bumped into the table, I knocked the whole thing over. I didn't even clean it up because I didn't have a dog then, and I was like in tears. I was just like, screw it.
R.I.P. Sonic the Hedgehog. This kind of looks like a prickly hedge more than leaves.
So cute. Lauren, that is so cute. Are you getting this? This is adorable. I am so proud of you. I can't, this is so cute.
I just feel like you're so nice that you wouldn't even tell me if it was bad though, you know?
I'd tell you if it was ugly. This is so much cuter than what you even see in the stores. Have you seen what they sell in like the grocery store?
I mean, yeah, when I picked off the icing dollops on this, I was like,
janky.
You ain't cute.
That's better than when I see at some bakeries.
I feel like this could be like,
shots fired.
Pew, pew, pew. Rosanna Pansino comes for local bakeries.
I do though, because I go to some of them and I'm like,
what are you doing though?
I'm like, a 4-year-old could have done better than this. And when I'm saying that, it's real.
Prickly hedge leaves, but I'm okay with the prickly hedge.
Cute though. Oh my gosh, sometimes I can't stop decorating. Lauren, take this away from me.
Are we done?
Just rip it out of my hands. Okay. Okay.
No more piping bags for bro.
There, see how cute that is.
Wow, that actually looks good.
And we did this whole thing with 2 tips and a little fondant. Boom. That's our DJ duo.
DJ duo.
It's 2 tips.
2 tips.
We have 2 tips for you. One, how to
tip
bake.
1 and tip 2.
One, how to craft. We're ready.
Wicka, 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 wicka.
2 tips.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, thank you so much to Ro for coming over and giving me all the cake decorating tips for our new DJ duo 2 tips.
Look at this. It's so great.
Also, guys, we're gonna do a video on Ro's channel. We're trying some crazy cereals. One of them is called
Bootios.
Bootios.
I love cereal.
I love cereal
I
too.
found all of these and I'm so hyped, and one of them is literally a candy.
Oh my god. Okay, so that'll be linked in the down bar below for you guys to go check out. Make sure you go follow Ro and subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Wednesday for weekly vlog and Sunday for another Sunday. Bye!
I love how you hit that note. I'm always like, what?
DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.